Am I the a-hole for calling my coworker a nosy bitch after she insisted to know my husband's salary? My husband and I, both 33, have been together since college. Over the years, he's had quite the career trajectory. He's a quant PM and makes like 10 times what I make, and I make a really good salary. But as we've grown wealthier, I've noticed that people become nosier. Friends, acquaintances, relatives, you name it. In the beginning, I would entertain the nosy questions. But since I turned 30, I've adopted a take no crap attitude. When people ask me how much he makes, I no longer say anything. I've learned the hard way that giving an exact number can have bad consequences. My coworker, female 25, is new and she already has quite the reputation. Very chatty, catty, gossipy, you get the gist. You can tell that she craves wealth and status. I mean, she wears a bunch of flashy designer items and is always asking the ladies around the office which of the men are single. Last Friday, our office hosted an afternoon happy hour. She approached me and asked how me and my husband's recent vacation to Europe went. I told her that it went well and briefly summarized what we did. Then the conversation went something like this. Her. So what does your husband do? Me. He works in finance. Her. Oh, wow. He must make a ton then being able to take you on these lavish vacations. I hope you don't mind me asking, but how much does he make a year? Me. Yes, we're very lucky and he makes a good salary. Then I gave her a polite smile. Her. Oh, come on, I won't tell anyone. How much does he rake in a year? Millions? Me. I'd rather not say, but it's up there. Her. What, he doesn't allow you to give an exact number or something? Me, at this point, visibly annoyed. No, I just prefer not to say. Her laughs in my face. You'd think the stuck-up one would be the one with the money, not the one without. Me. You should learn how to take no for an answer and quit being such a nosy bitch. It's a valuable lesson. Then I smiled and walked away. Later on, I had a few coworkers reach out to me and say that she was crying and left early, and that I should apologize for calling her a rude name. I refused. I told my mom and she said that I was too rude to the new girl and that she's young and might not fully understand salary talk. I think she's old enough. My husband is fully on my side but said maybe I could fake apologize just for the sake of office politics, which I somewhat agree with. But still, am I the a-hole? In my humble opinion, guys, I'm gonna say that this woman should have known better than to pry into someone else's personal finances, especially in a professional setting like the office. I mean, they referenced that she was young, so maybe she didn't know any better at the point, but hopefully she learned her lesson. I mean, as far as I'm concerned, OP just gave her a crash course in Mind Your Own Beeswax 101. So to answer the question, is OP the a-hole or not? Heck no. She was just defending her own boundaries and she had no obligation to tell the new coworker how much her husband makes. I'm just having a hard time trying to figure out why the coworker couldn't just take no for an answer. And then to go crying in the bathroom after she got told off. I mean, seriously. All I know is if I was OP, I would not trust that woman. She needs to stay far away because those nosy types are always up to no good. People just really need to learn to respect each other's privacy. Just mind your own business, dang. Alrighty guys, so here are the final results to my newest Zodiac butterfly resin jar. I absolutely love the colors that my lovely customer picked for this jar. And with the lights, it glows so bright and it is just like the perfect nightlight. I just love it. So guys, don't forget that these jars are all fully customizable and you can get your own colors, you can add your name, your sign, whatever you want. Just make sure that you check out my Etsy shop. The link is in the bio. Also, I have the link to my link tree if you're interested in any of the products that I use to make these products so that you can make your own resin creations. And lastly, guys, if you have any Am I the A-hole stories or scary short stories, make sure that you shoot me an email to resonatebychanel@gmail.com because I am looking to read some of your stories on my page ASAP, so make sure that you like and subscribe if you want more. All right, besties, until next time, stay drama-free, stay amazing, deuces.